Hello and welcome back to the Calculator Review, hosted on Caliquin.com. It's another day of Calculatober, and I think it's day 5 actually. So, today's calculator is the Texas Instrument Math Magic. Now, this is a pretty interesting calculator. It's a bit unlike any others that I have. At first glance, it's already pretty unique. It's got this weird kind of bevel to it, I guess is the word. It's purple and orange, which I think is kind of cool. It uses a single 9-volt battery, which I've already installed. And yeah, so this comes from 1977. So it's a pretty old device. And well, let's turn it on and see what happens. So you got a gorgeous red LED display, which always cool. But if you'll notice, when I turned it on, all you get is an equals sign. So already you can tell this thing's a bit different. So let's say 7 times 6, and if I hit equals, well, nothing happens. Well, the thing about this calculator is you actually have to make the guess yourself. So 42, and if I'm correct, it'll blink. So 1 times 5 equals, if I say 6, I get an error. If I hit 6 again, I'll get another error. If I hit 6 one more time, it'll then give me the correct answer. So it gives you 3 chances to guess it. It can't go up very high, so like trying to do 99 times 33, it can only show 3, so 99 times 3 is 188 to 71? 73? 274? 5, 6, 7? Oh. 99 times 3 equals 2, 7, nope. 1, nope. Should be at least 200. 2. Oh, I'm drawing a blank. Nope. 297. I should have known that. For some reason I was thinking 270. I don't know why. Probably because 9 times 3. My brain just went to 271 for some reason. Which of course isn't correct. But yeah, so this is pretty cool. Like 8 divided by 3. So now, if you do something like this, it's going to be a fraction. So the way this calculator works is you have to pick the 2 numbers that are on either side of it. So 8 divided by 3 would either be 2 or 3. 2 or 3? No. 2 or 2 maybe? Okay, yeah, it was correct. So 3 divided by 1 equals 3. Okay, blinky. 2 divided by 5. So this would be either 0 or 1. 1 or 2. I don't know. Yeah, so it doesn't really handle fractions very well, but everything else is pretty good. Now, what's really strange though is it does show this root function up here, or maybe that's, I believe that's what that's supposed to be. But this has no square root functionality whatsoever. And also you can see xy squared, it is unable to do squares as well. I mean, you can do 9 times 9, which of course is 81. So yeah, kind of an interesting way of doing a calculator. It's more about education than actually being used as a standard calculator. But since I've only taken a few minutes to go over the exterior and the functionality, might as well take a look at the inside. So I'm going to grab my screwdriver. It's over here somewhere. Looks like it's just 4 screws that's holding this whole thing together. Oops, don't want to script that. Wow, these screws are very, very tight. Hopefully I don't damage this. This is a very old calculator, so I like to keep it in good working order. I have not disassembled this before. It didn't really require a cleanup. When I bought it, I got this at Habitat for Humanity for $2, and it's in pretty good shape. And also, it's this isn't one that's really safe to clean because it's using some kind of paper that's glued to the front. So if I try to clean this, I could potentially tear this up. So I don't want to do that. Very curious to see how this looks inside. Alright. Might as well pop the battery out while I'm at it. So yeah, as you can see, it's just a single 9-volt battery. It's got some kind of initials in here. I'm not sure if this is from the previous owner or if maybe the manufacturer did that. I have no idea. Oh wow, that comes out really cleanly. So yeah, it's actually really similar to the other TI calculators at this time. This is a very similar design. Probably a different chip inside. But yeah, pretty standard interior. Nothing all that special going on. I'm not going to take it apart any further than this. But I think it was the TI 1200, one of the ones in the 1000 line, that had basically the same exact interior. And I don't know what Shepley means, but that's written in there. So yeah, pretty cool little device. Definitely one of my more interesting calculators, and one that I was really happy to find for so cheap. I don't see them that often, but when I do, I always pick them up. Especially anything TI from the 70s. I have a fondness for Texas Instruments from the 70s. I did some very cool stuff. So yeah, that is the Texas Instrument Mathmagic. I don't know if it has a particular number, as most TI calculators of that time did. Hard to say. But yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day. Bye!